Hey guys, greetings. It's New York Dan here. Guess what? I overpacked. It's some kind of reptilian sickness. It dates back to like reptile evolution. I gotta go up those steps now with that bag. Cross over there to get over to that train. I can't believe it. I was gonna pack my small bag and my girlfriend's like, bring the big one, just make it lighter. Well, what happened is, I guess when it's so big, you end up filling it with more stuff. So, yeah, I just missed the other train too. It's okay. Another one's coming real soon. Taking the 1019. And I think it's that train over there. So now I gotta get this luggage over to the train. The trip, the journey has begun. We're going into the belly. If I don't get sick, jeez Louise. The belly of the beast. Key is to just take it slow, one step at a time. I got up here. Now I just gotta walk over. And then I'm going right down to this train. And I gotta hustle. It leaves in about 10 minutes. I went too big. I went way too big on this thing. Damn, I should have spent more time to pack lighter. I think I brought way too much stuff. Now I got to get it down here. Yeah, it might be just as hard going down as going up, because I was able to pull it backward, you know? I don't know how I'm going to do this. Well, let's see. I'll get back to you. All right, well, if I didn't break my lower back now, at the same time my upper back's hurting, I lugged it down here, and look, I was just able to squeeze it in here. I'm gonna sit here and hopefully have the luxury of having that whole booth for myself. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It shouldn't be that crowded, it's off peak. But yeah, we were debating if this is the train going in the city. We had to ask a few people. I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, I better watch it, because I don't want the train to close the doors when I step outside and my luggage goes off. I better quit while I'm ahead here. Oh boy, this is like going to a prison job, let me tell you. It's basically, okay, it's gonna go this way, so I don't like to ride backward if I can help it. What did I get myself into? And then I was having problems with my upper back. I have a back brace on, right? That was baptism by fire, going up those steps and then back down again. And now I got to do it again when I get into Penn Station, because I know there's steps that go up, a lot of steps. I think the second thing they have is an escalator, so I can ride that up with the bag, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I'll be on the streets. I'll be on the streets of the belly of the beast, Manhattan. And I'm on my own then. Anything could happen. I gotta get down to the terminal, the Pier 88, I think they call it, where the ships go out of. If worse comes to worse, I might have to bite the bullet and take a taxi. Shoot. We'll see. Take a quick rest here before they say anything about putting your feet on the chair. We're about to get started. comes the other train is going by here. So I had a few characters came on. One guy came on. That jumps, he falls down there. He brought an e-bike in there. He just rode the train for one stop. He never bought a ticket. It's a pretty good scam if you can get away with it. But he went to sit down and the seat popped up and he fell on the floor. So I was talking with him. He said his e-bike goes 30 miles an hour. And he's fallen off it twice. It threw him off the bike. Now a new character, Penn Station. A new character just got on. The guy stood over here for a while. And then he went into that bathroom. I wonder, okay, now I thought maybe it would be like a scam where I've seen this before. You stay in there the whole time. That way you don't have to buy a ticket. All kinds of stuff going on. Or what you do is you wait until the ticket guy goes by. I bought a ticket though, it's right up there. The guy punched it. $26 round trip. Not too bad, not too bad. That's off peak though. So yeah, we'll see. Well, we're in New Hyde Park, as you can see. Getting in there, it's getting there.
Penn Station.
Getting into the belly of the beast now. Headed to Jamaica Station. That's what the deal is. Jamaica, Queens. You can tell it's getting more urban. Getting close to Jamaica, Queens right now. We've kind of left suburban and we've gone into urban. Train's going slow right now. It's a good time to film. Now if I play my cards right, what I should do is use the restroom here, because once you get in the city, it's very hard to find like restrooms. You have to go, usually you have to buy something. They keep them locked. If you go into restaurants, you know, like little restaurants, like fast food, cafe, nah, they don't just leave them open. You have to ask someone and get a lock, unlock. Look at that bus, accordion style. Yeah, it's a pain in the neck. These things here, I bet you they cost a fortune to live in those. They look like they're newer buildings, believe it or not. We're cruising into Jamaica Station, Queens. This is one of the trains, the electric trains. We're in Jamaica now, Jamaica, Queens. Now I'm gonna try to use that restroom. I don't know if the door's locked. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see what it looks like out there. Let's see. It looks like it's open. I'm in luck. Well, luckily I was able to use the restroom. Sometimes, like I was saying before, People go in there the whole time to avoid paying the ticket. Too bad the window's so dirty. We'll see what happens. You guys ever watch All in the Family with Archie Bunker? Yeah, this is kind of, we're getting into kind of like his kind of neighborhood. See these houses right here? They're like real close together. This is how they this camera's amazing because the stabilization on it, it's incredible. How you know, the train's like rocking around a bit. Yeah. So those like row houses, and you got basic apartment buildings. Now what this train's gonna do there, is it doing it? Not yet. It goes through a tunnel and it's gonna get totally dark. There's some kind of like houses like that. The typical like Queens kind of house that Bunker had. Oh, are we in it? Are we going in the tunnel already? No. There's a couple of short tunnels. It's kind of a fake out. It's getting real urban.
This was Sarasota. Maybe I just can't take service.
I don't know what station that was. We breezed right by it. Once we go in the tunnel, that's the end of the scenery. Yeah, here's some more of those row houses. There's Bunker's place right there. Those kind of look like it. We're cruising now. We are cruising. Trains conversion. How do you say it? Converting. I don't know. My brain's fried at the moment. Converging. That's the word I'm looking for. Converging. Coming together, the tracks here. Yeah, I was up late getting ready here. That's the problem. I was telling you. Woodside, Queens. That's where we're at now. Coming up on Woodside. It's pretty dark at the Woodside station. Okay, here we go. Woodside, Queens.
Woodside. This is the train to Penn Station. The next station is Penn Station.
So the next station's Penn. We're gonna go in the tunnel. Well, we come into the basement of Madison Square Garden. That's where it ends up.
The next station is
Luckily, the train's not that crowded this time of day. Comes the conductor checking the tickets. Time to hide in the bathroom. See the city, I think, over there. And to get to that, we have to go underneath the river. Those are the Amtraks, I think, right here. All the trains. It's the train yard. The master train yard here. Whoa. Oh, that building's got some glare coming off it. It's like a mirror. Going all over the place. Straight. Well, now we're going down into the tunnel.
For everyone's security, please take your personal belongings with you to leave the train.
That's it. Oh man.
Fellow passengers not to leave anything behind. If you see an unattended package, please tell a railroad employee.
I feel the pressure in my ears. Going into this tunnel here. We're going down, and where it comes out is the basement, Madison Square Garden, Penn Station, and I gotta haul this up the stairs, which is not gonna be fun. Are you at your breaking point? Time for a breakthrough. I think that's Tony Robbins. Yeah, it is. Have you ever heard of that guy? I don't know. He might be kind of like SarasotaTim. A lot of hype. You pay money. He's doing a grift. That's what it is. Time for a grift. Come see a grifter. Here we are, Penn Station. If I don't fall down, I gotta get my luggage. Just made it through the sea. I could have brought a smaller luggage, but that would have been too easy.
This station is
Here we go. No one said it would be easy, guys. No one said it would be easy. Okay, I don't even know where I'm going. I gotta get up the stairs. But yeah, this is Penn Station. We're in the basement. I think the stairs might be right there. All right, guys. Let's take a walk through Penn, shall we? See, this is it. If you got good flat ground with the roller luggage, it's not that bad. The problem is when you got stairs. Don't fall down there. That's all you need. And if you're waiting for a train, don't stand on the edge, because you never know. There's crazy people that, you know, mentally ill, homeless, whatever, that will push someone. Or if you're in a bad relationship and you have like a angry girlfriend or something, gotta be careful. Yeah, check this out. Here's the those are the trains in here. Look at that.